Good morning. It is Wednesday morning, March 5th, and we are expecting some strong storms in our area today, so I hope you all are safe. I was supposed to do a tour at RCC for some high school students, and it got canceled due to weather. I'm on my way to work. Last week, my video did not upload the sound. I was in my office, and RCC installed a new desktop in the office, and I guess I didn't have the sound on. I do apologize for that, but by the time I figured it out, it was too late. Last week you had task number 20, which is displaying data. That's pie charts, bar graphs, line graphs, histograms, all the different types of representations of data. Students tend to really like that section. It's easy and it goes pretty smoothly. You also had a discussion board about your proctoring experience. I wanted you to reflect on that last week because you have a proctored test this week. So it's important to look back and see about your first proctored experience. And do you want to do it the same way? Do you want to change it? What did you learn from that experience? This week, you have a review on MyOpen Math. It covers every single thing that we've studied in this class up to week 1. All of that is open in terms of my notes and my videos, so you can go back and refresh your memory on those. We have a midterm, and it is proctored. So you have to have a proctor appointment this week for that proctored midterm. It closes next Tuesday night, which will be, let's see what date that is. Excuse me. Okay, it closes Tuesday, March 11th. So you have to have a proctored appointment for the proctored midterm. I'm also, if you read Moodle, I'm going to make some compensations with your grade if you score higher on the proctored midterm than you did on the first proctored test. I know the first proctored test, sometimes it's nerves, sometimes it's technical glitches, sometimes you just didn't prepare yourself and you weren't really, serious about what you needed to do to take that test. So hopefully you've kind of learned some things since then, and you can do better on the midterm. You can use one sheet of paper front and back on the midterm. So as you're going through your notes this week, look at that. Look at that, the notes and any formulas that you want to put on there. I would put the absolute change formula on a sheet of paper. That is where they ask about the percent increase or the percent decrease. The formula, let me write it down and see if I can show it to y'all. It has the absolute change on the top. That means the difference. And then you divide that by the original and multiply by 100. Let's see if I can. This is the formula for percent change. Okay. Now the top word, absolute change, you have to subtract to determine the change. We've already studied this, but I'm just saying that's like a formula that I would put on my page. There aren't a lot of formulas that I maybe part over whole equals percent over 100, but we just don't have a lot of formulas for the probability section. We don't have a lot of formulas for the data interpretation section. So I think that's it for this week. Super short video. Again, proctored midterm this week. It is due Tuesday, March 11th. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope this video posts properly this week, and I'll see you next week.